Hi, this is Daniel and Angie at Stidham Financial, and we wanted to thank you for joining us for our presentation. We hope that you were able to take some information back there that can make a big difference to you and your family at home. And as a follow-up to that, we'd like to share one of the questions that we've gotten from that same presentation, and maybe it'll help spur on some questions of your own. And if you have those, feel free to send them to us at info@stidhamfinancial.com, and Angie will make sure that you get your question answered as well. So Angie, do you want to help us out? Tell us about one of the questions you've got.
The very first question we got was about Mr. Biden's new tax proposal and how that was going to affect this individual.
Well, even though the elections are over and there's a lot less uncertainty around that, the fact is that was a tax proposal. We don't really know what the new tax plan will be, but one thing I'm confident about is that there will be a new tax plan. And since we're at the lowest tax brackets that we've had in the last 70 years, any new tax plan can really only hurt us. And when you take that piece of knowledge and you put that together with the fact that in 2020 our government went into more debt in a single year than in any other country has in the history of the world. We just printed so much money. Mathematically, taxes have to go up. And if you, like so many others, have been pushed into qualified retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, then every time taxes go up, that is a percentage loss in your portfolio. But you just don't realize it at the time because that loss doesn't happen until you make those withdrawals. So I call it funny money when you see that big number on the statement that you get every quarter. It has your name on it. Now that's the reason why ever since the start of 2020 and all this madness, and when they first did the stimulus package, the CARES Act, from that moment on, myself and every other professional on our team have built plans with the primary focus being on taxes. Because regardless of the risks in the market and the risks of not having a proper legal plan, taxes are a certainty. And you have to start there, because if you don't build a plan based around how much of your money you get to keep, then the rest of the plan isn't going to work anyway. And I think that's the biggest difference in what we've been doing over the past year, as opposed to, I guess, the standard in the industry that just focuses on the investments themselves. Personally, I don't care how much someone gains on their investments if it's just going to be taken from them later.